Hello. In this tutorial we will explain what are cross-references for the book index, why they're valuable, and how to set them up, using PDF index generator software. Cross-references are handy for guiding readers, from one term in the index, to another related term. They help readers explore additional topics and information, connected to the current term they are viewing. For instance, imagine you're looking at the index entry, Physicians, which spans pages 12 to 14. You might also want to explore related terms like hospitals and medical schools. That's where cross-references come in. Now, let's dive into how to create cross-references, using PDF index generator. We are currently in step 3 of the program, where we will define references for 2 terms, in the index. There are 3 ways to open the cross-references window. You can double-click any word in the results table to modify it. Then click the cross-references button found in this window. You can also highlight any word in the results table, then click the cross-references button, found on the toolbar. And finally, you can highlight any word in the results table, then right-click it, to show the pop-up menu. Then click Cross-references. Those are the 3 ways that you can follow to open the cross-references window. To start, we will focus on the term, physicians. We will click the Cross-references button, on the toolbar. First, we will specify the cross-reference prefix. The prefix is the label used before the referenced words. We have options like, see also, and, see. There are many other prefixes available, and you can even define your own prefix, by clicking the Add button. You can further manage your prefixes, by modifying or deleting them, using the Edit and Remove buttons provided. The most common used prefixes are see and see also. There is a difference between those 2 prefixes. See also is used to guide the reader, to related index terms. While see prefix redirects readers who may have mistakenly accessed the current term, when seeking another. When using see prefix, the program doesn't list page numbers for the term. For now, we will choose see also, to guide readers to related index terms. Next, we will enable the referenced words. We will select 2 terms from the list: hospitals and medical schools. You can filter the referenced words, to show only the enabled ones. The sample field provides a preview of how the index terms, and their cross-references, will appear in the final index. You can also enable the bidirectional cross-references checkbox. And by doing that, the program will set cross-references for the referenced words too. Here the word physicians references to other terms, hospitals, and medical schools. By enabling this option, the program will set physicians as a reference for the hospital's index term, and will also set physicians as a reference for the medical school's term. Let's enable this option, and see what it will do, for the output index. Click Apply to save. We will define cross-references for another term, doctors. Instead of clicking the Cross-references button on the toolbar, we will right-click the term doctors and click on Cross-references. That will open the same window of the cross-references. We will use the see prefix this time and enable the term physicians as a cross-reference. Then apply the changes. Click Next to move on to step 4. Before writing the index to the book, it's worth to mention that you can customize the font type, format, and color, that are used for writing the cross-references. To do that, click the Select Template link. Click Edit to modify the current used index template. Move to the Cross-References tab. Here you can modify the font that is used for the cross-references prefix. And here you can modify the font that is used for the referenced words. Let's just change the color of the prefix to red, making them easily visible in the index. And click Save. Click OK. Click Start Writing to write the index to the book, and see how the cross-references appear. Done. Let's open the index, to see how the cross-references look. Here is the index section. This is the term doctors. You can see its prefix is in red, just like we wanted. No page numbers appear here, as we're using the C prefix to direct readers to the physician's term instead. Now, let's look at the term physicians. Here it is. We're using the C also prefix. It's pointing to two other terms, hospitals and medical schools. You'll see page numbers listed here for the physician's term because we're using the C also prefix, which allows page numbers. Remember the bidirectional cross-references option we turned on earlier? Let's see how it works by checking the two terms it references. First, we have the term hospitals. You'll notice it points back to the physician's term, just like we expected. Next, we have medical schools. It also points back to the physician's term. The bidirectional cross-references are working just as they should. As you can see, the cross-references feature enriches the reading experience for your audience, making it easier for them to explore related topics in your book. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.